Hey everyone! So I just finished my Google Cloud Generative AI Leader and AWS Certified AI Practitioner certifications. And it got me thinking, with all these AI certifications popping up everywhere, Google, AWS, Microsoft, Salesforce, ServiceNow, which one should you actually invest your time and money in? I mean, we're all trying to figure out this AI thing together, right? And the truth is, I've been on this journey with you. I'm using 11 Labs AI to narrate this video, affiliate link in description. I've now passed both the Google Cloud Gen AI Leader and the AWS Certified AI Practitioner. And let me tell you, they're both solid choices. But what about the others? So I did what any curious person would do. I dove deep into reviews, market data, and real experiences from people who've taken these exams. And what I found? Well, let's just say some certifications are definitely better investments than others. Before we jump into the rankings, let's talk about why this matters for your career. Here's a stat that blew my mind. Employers are willing to pay 43% more for AI-skilled workers in sales and marketing, 42% more in finance, and a whopping 47% more for IT professionals. That's not some distant future prediction. That's happening right now. And honestly, that's why I'm so passionate about sharing this journey with you. We're not just learning cool tech stuff, we're literally investing in our financial futures. But here's the thing. Not all AI certifications are created equal. Some will open doors, others might leave you with a nice certificate and not much else. So let's break this down together. I've organized these into 3 tiers based on market demand, job opportunities, and what I'm seeing in the real world. Tier 1, the game changers. These are the certifications that employers are actively looking for and paying premium salaries for. Tier 2, solid career boosters. Great certifications that will definitely help your career, especially if you're in specific industries or roles. Tier 3, niche but valuable. Good for specific use cases, but maybe not your first choice if you're looking for broad market appeal. Now, I want to be upfront with you. This is based on my research and what I'm seeing in the market today. Your mileage may vary depending on your industry and career goals, but this should give you a solid framework to make your decision. Let's start with the heavy hitters. Tier 1. Number 1. AWS Certified AI Practitioner. This one tops my list, and here's why. AWS dominates the cloud market with 33% market share. The certification is designed for people who work with AI solutions, not necessarily people who build them. So if you're in sales, marketing, project management, or business analysis, this is perfect. And remember those salary numbers I mentioned? Yeah, this is the certification driving those increases. Plus, AWS has the most stable certification program. They're not going anywhere. Number 2, Google Cloud Generative AI Leader. Okay, I'm a bit biased here since I just passed this one, but hear me out. While Google only has 9% of the cloud market, they're absolutely crushing it in AI innovation. This certification focuses on the business applications of generative AI, which is exactly what companies need right now. What I loved about this certification is that it's not super technical. It's about understanding how to apply AI to solve real business problems. And honestly, that's where the money is. Moving to Tier 2. These are still excellent choices, especially for specific career paths. Number 3, Microsoft Azure AI Fundamentals. This one's fantastic if you're just getting started. Reviewers consistently say it's clear, accessible, and affordable. It's a brilliant way to dip your toes into AI without needing deep programming skills. Azure holds 22% of the cloud market, so there's definitely demand. And if your company is already in the Microsoft ecosystem, this could be a strategic choice. Number 4, Microsoft Azure AI Engineer Associate. Now this one's tougher. I found reviews saying it was the roughest test some people had taken. But if you're technical and want to go deep, the job opportunities are solid. Just know what you're signing up for. Tier 3 has some interesting options, but with caveats. Number 5, Salesforce AI Associate. Here's where I have to give you some tough love. While this certification is currently free and covers AI and CRM contexts, Salesforce is retiring it in February 2026. They're moving to something called Agent Blazer status instead. If you're deep in the Salesforce ecosystem, it might still be worth it for the knowledge, but from a future-proofing perspective, not so much. Number 6, ServiceNow AI certifications. ServiceNow is doing cool things with workflow automation and AI, but it's pretty niche. If you're already working in IT service management, this could be valuable. Otherwise, I'd focus on the broader market leaders first. So, how do you choose? Here's my framework. If you're in business roles, sales, marketing, product management, start with AWS AI Practitioner. Then consider Google Cloud Gen AI Leader. If you're technical, Azure AI Fundamentals is a great starting point. Then move to Azure AI Engineer Associate if you want to go deeper. If you're in a Microsoft-heavy company, Azure certifications will integrate better with your existing systems. If you're CRM-focused, Salesforce AI Associate for now, but have an exit strategy for 2026. The key is thinking about where you want to be in 2 to 3 years, not just where you are today. Here's what I'm doing, and you can steal this strategy. I'm building a portfolio approach. I've got AWS and Google Cloud under my belt, and I'm planning to add Azure AI Fundamentals next. Why? Because AI is moving so fast that no single certification will keep you current forever. But having foundational knowledge across the major platforms, that's portable. That's future-proof. And honestly, each certification teaches you something different. AWS taught me about the business value of AI. Google Cloud showed me how generative AI can transform workflows. I expect Azure will give me insights into enterprise AI adoption. Look, we're all figuring this out together. AI is changing how we work, and these certifications are our way of staying ahead of the curve. The good news? Most of these certifications are designed for people like us, people who want to understand and use AI, not necessarily build it from scratch. My advice? Pick one that aligns with your current role in industry, but don't stop there. Think of it as the first step in an ongoing learning journey. What certification are you considering? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear about your AI learning journey. And if you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. I'm planning to document my experience with each of these certifications, so you'll get the real, unfiltered experience. Next week, I'm diving into exactly how to prepare for the AWS AI Practitioner exam, including the study materials that actually worked and the ones that were a waste of time. You won't want to miss that. Until then, keep learning, keep growing, and remember, we're all in this AI revolution together. Thanks for watching.